Would you like to be part of Bright Bikes? Bright Bikes is a fleet of LED covered art bikes with music and interactive graphics created by local interactive artists. Today we're going to look at a couple of kits that you can pick up on Amazon if you're interested in doing something that's really simple and inexpensive. This is really useful if you have several bikes that you want to do, or if you don't have the time to actually go through and create a very custom and involved bike. I'll include the Amazon links below, which are affiliate links, and you'll be helping support Maker Faire Orlando and the Maker Effect Foundation when you use those links. It doesn't change the price, but it certainly helps us out. Let's get into the review. This kit is the Spokelet Disco. This is a really cool kit. It attaches directly to your spokes. It's very similar to this other set here, which is a generic brand. The spokes that it actually goes through your individual grooves here, and then you have zip ties that actually affix it to your wheel. Bright Spokes is a very cool kit. It's the only kit we're going to look at today that allows you to illuminate the entire wheel when you're actually setting up this kit. Most of the other kits, as you'll see, just have a simple set of lights or one or two lights that when you're sitting still, you only see that one light. Looks great when you're moving, but you just have a few lights that are illuminated when you're sitting still. In this particular setup, you have lights that go all around the wheel. Let's look at what's inside. Inside are our LED lights, and they are enclosed inside of this tube, which makes it great and water resistant. And then also inside of here is where our battery is located. The battery is a USB based battery, and you can charge it in your USB port. So this is very simple to attach to your bicycle. You simply unravel the actual LEDs, and then they attach with zip ties around the actual wheel.